So what's next on our trick or treat treats is a peanut butter cup cocktail. Like your favorite peanut butter cups, because you're going to get these also when you're trick or treating. All right. So to our shaker cup, we're going to add 1.5 of a chocolate vodka, 1.5 ounces. We're going to add 1 ounce of peanut butter whiskey. There's different versions. You use a version that you have. All right, next we're going to add 3/4 of an ounce of a chocolate liqueur. And last, we're going to go 1/2 ounce of cream. We're going to add some ice to our shaker and give this a really good shake. I like these shakers because the lid's locked. Don't get leakage when you're shaking. Now we're going to add it to our glass that has been, the glass has chocolate in it. And I put in the freezer to help it stay. There you have it, a peanut butter cup cocktail. Cheers. Our little garnish, a little peanut butter cup. Cheers. You taste the chocolate, you taste the peanut butter. It's one of my favorite candies, period. So, this is one of my new favorite sweet drinks. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.